Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chevron detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents. Make a list of your income sources, including salary and any side jobs. Next, write down your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. Include variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Now, open the Chevron budgeting tool on your computer or smartphone. Create a new budget by inputting your total income at the top. Allocate your fixed expenses in the designated section of the tool. Enter your variable expenses next, estimating where needed. Chevron provides visual aids, so familiarize yourself with the charts and graphs. Once all expenses are entered, check the budget summary for a quick overview. Review the discrepancies between your income and expenses. If you're over budget, identify areas where you can cut back. Adjust your budget accordingly, prioritizing essential expenses. Save your budget and set reminders to review it weekly. At the end of each month, analyze your spending against your budget. Make notes on any categories that consistently exceed their limits. Refine your budget as necessary to better reflect your financial situation. Celebrate small wins when you stick to your budget for the month. Stay committed to tracking every expense for better accuracy over time. Regular use of Chevron's budgeting tool will help you develop strong financial habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.